Deep within the desolate heart of the Nevada desert, hidden from prying eyes, lies a place shrouded in secrecy. This vast expanse of arid land with its rolling dunes and scorching sun seems uninhabitable at first glance. Yet beneath its barren surface, stories and legends have taken root, growing like the sparse desert flora that defies the harsh conditions. A place where the boundaries of reality blur with the fantastical. The shimmering heat waves create mirages that play tricks on the eyes, making the ordinary seem extraordinary. It's a land where the line between what is real and what is imagined becomes indistinct, a perfect setting for the mysterious and the unknown, a place known only to a select few. This is Area 51. Officially, it's a high-security military installation, but unofficially, it's a magnet for speculation and intrigue. The very name conjures images of extraterrestrial beings and advanced technologies hidden away from the public eye. Surrounded by miles of barren wasteland and protected by armed guards with a shoot-on-sight policy, it stands as a testament to the clandestine activities that have captivated the public imagination for decades. The perimeter is fortified with layers of security measures, from motion sensors to surveillance cameras, ensuring that no unauthorized person gets close. Whispers of strange lights, otherworldly encounters, and reverse-engineered alien technology have swirled around this enigmatic location, fueling countless conspiracy theories and drawing curious onlookers like moths to a flame. Tales of unidentified flying objects darting across the night sky, mysterious aircraft with capabilities beyond our understanding, and secretive experiments have only added to the allure. For many, Area 51 is not just a place on a map, but a symbol of the unknown, a beacon for those who seek to uncover the secrets of the universe. Area 51's origins can be traced back to the darkest days of the Cold War. In the early 1950s, as the threat of nuclear war loomed large, the United States government embarked on a top-secret mission to develop cutting-edge spy planes capable of penetrating Soviet airspace undetected. The remote, desolate location of Groom Lake, Nevada, with its vast, flat expanse and minimal civilian population, proved to be the ideal testing ground for these clandestine aircraft. Thus, in 1955, Area 51 was born. Throughout the Cold War, Area 51 served as a clandestine breeding ground for some of the most advanced and secretive aircraft ever conceived. The U-2 spy plane, the SR-71 Blackbird, the F-117 Nighthawk stealth fighter. All were developed and tested within the confines of this enigmatic base. But as the Cold War ended and the Soviet Union collapsed, the need for such extreme secrecy seemingly evaporated. Yet the guards remained, the razor wire stayed firmly in place, and the veil of secrecy surrounding Area 51 only seemed to deepen. In the summer of 1947, a rancher named Mac Brazel stumbled upon a debris field in the New Mexico desert. This discovery would soon become one of the most controversial and talked-about events in modern history. The debris field was located about 75 miles north of Roswell, a small town that would soon become synonymous with UFOs and government cover-ups. As Brazel examined the strange materials scattered across the desert floor, he couldn't have imagined the global phenomenon that was about to unfold. The site was approximately 120 miles from Roswell Army Airfield, a key military installation at the time. The proximity to the military base added an extra layer of intrigue to the discovery. What was this mysterious debris, and why was it so close to a military facility? These questions would soon capture the imagination of people around the world. The debris, composed of strange metallic materials, sparked rumors of a downed flying saucer. Witnesses described the materials as unlike anything they had ever seen before, lightweight yet incredibly strong, and with unusual markings that some speculated were of extraterrestrial origin. The local community was abuzz with speculation, and it wasn't long before the media caught wind of the story. The military initially fueled these rumors by issuing a press release claiming the recovery of a flying disc. This announcement sent shockwaves through the nation, making headlines in newspapers and sparking intense public interest. For a brief moment, it seemed as though the existence of extraterrestrial life had been confirmed. However, they quickly retracted this statement, explaining that the debris was simply from a downed weather balloon. This abrupt change in the official narrative only added to the confusion and suspicion. Many people began to wonder if the government was hiding something far more significant. Was this a genuine mistake, or a carefully crafted cover-up to conceal the truth? Despite the military's attempts to quell the speculation, the Roswell incident became a watershed moment in UFO lore. The conflicting reports and the mysterious nature of the debris fueled endless debates and theories. UFO enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists alike seized upon the incident as evidence of a government cover-up, and the story continued to grow in the public imagination. The Roswell incident solidified Area 51's place in the public imagination as a repository for captured alien technology. Over the years, the secretive military base has been the subject of countless rumors and speculations, further entrenching its status as a focal point for those who believe in extraterrestrial life. Whether fact, fiction, or a carefully crafted cover-up, the Roswell incident remains one of the most enduring mysteries of our time. Section 5. Beyond the razor wire, what secrets lie hidden? While the true nature of Area 51's activities remains shrouded in secrecy, it's widely believed that the base is still involved in the development and testing of advanced aerospace technologies. This includes everything from cutting-edge aircraft to experimental drones that push the boundaries of what's possible in aviation. The base's remote location and high security make it an ideal place for such clandestine operations, away from prying eyes and potential espionage. Some speculate that the base is home to reverse-engineered alien technology, recovered from crash sites like Roswell. These theories suggest that the government has been hiding evidence of extraterrestrial life for decades, using the technology to advance human capabilities in ways that seem almost magical. The idea of alien spacecraft being studied and possibly even flown in secret has captured the imagination of conspiracy theorists and UFO enthusiasts alike. Others believe that Area 51 is used to conduct research into advanced propulsion systems, exotic materials, and even the possibility of time travel. The notion that scientists and engineers might be working on technologies that could revolutionize our understanding of physics and the universe is both thrilling and terrifying. Imagine a world where travel to distant stars is as routine as a flight across the country, or where materials with unheard-of properties change the way we build and live. Whatever the truth may be, one thing is certain. Area 51 continues to be a source of endless fascination and speculation. The mystery surrounding the base fuels countless books, movies, and documentaries, each trying to uncover the secrets hidden behind its heavily guarded gates. As long as the veil of secrecy remains, the intrigue and curiosity about what really goes on at Area 51 will never fade. The questions it raises about our world, and perhaps even our place in the universe, ensure that it will remain a topic of discussion for generations to come. Section 6. Guardians of Secrets. The security measures surrounding Area 51 are nothing short of extraordinary. The base is surrounded by a vast restricted airspace known as the Area 51 Test and Training Range, patrolled by armed guards in unmarked vehicles and helicopters. Motion sensors, infrared cameras, and pressure sensors monitor every inch of the perimeter, leaving no room for undetected intrusion. The message is clear: stay away, or face the consequences. Section 7. The Price of Truth. Over the years, numerous individuals have claimed to have worked at Area 51, revealing tantalizing details about their alleged experiences. While many of these accounts have been dismissed as hoaxes or the ramblings of attention seekers, some have contained details too specific, too technical to be easily dismissed. These whistleblowers, often risking their reputations and even their lives to speak out, paint a picture of a clandestine world where the boundaries of science and science fiction blur, and where the pursuit of technological advancement trumps all other concerns. Section 8. Silent skies, watching eyes. Even today, with the advent of commercially available satellite imagery, Area 51 remains remarkably elusive. The base's structures and runways are often obscured by carefully placed tarps and camouflage netting. Aircraft movements are often conducted under the cover of darkness or within restricted airspace, minimizing the risk of observation. The government goes to extraordinary lengths to keep its secrets hidden from prying eyes. Section 9. The Enigma Endures. Area 51 stands as a powerful symbol of our enduring fascination with the unknown. It represents the limits of our knowledge and the seductive allure of conspiracy. It is a place where the improbable intersects with the impossible, where the lines between reality and fantasy blur. Despite decades of scrutiny, countless Freedom of Information Act requests, and the occasional whistleblower's revelations, Area 51 remains an enigma, its secrets safely locked away within its heavily guarded perimeter. The question remains, what truly lies hidden within the Nevada